Hello everyone, I'm David Jean. I'm born in Port-au-Prince. I'm going to talk about my story, who I am personally. I'm living with my family of four. I'm 22 years old. I'm in October 13. My father has never been employed, so it's very hard for us. Our home is a shack by a ravine. Living in Haiti is not very easy. Our area is unhealthy because of gun violence, thirst, lack of food, so hunger, insecurity, the way we live, no work, so it's hard to find no works. I was blessed enough to go to school because a missionary who from United States came and established a non-profit school named Christian Light School. I went there until 10th grade. Then a foundation called Bridges to Dreams, where the president Francisco August knew about my situation of not being able to continue my schooling. The school system was changed and I didn't fit in. Francisco, through Bridges to Dreams and Jason Moment Support, helped me go to school. They helped me get an internship at MAF, Mission Aviation Fellowship, which is a Christian aviation ministry. Ever since I was little, I would dream about being in an airplane. Any plane I would see, I would point at them, try to run after them because I love seeing plane flying in the sky. By then, my dream was to see myself being in an airplane until I met Jason Moment, who is a pilot himself, who came to Haiti in a mission trip, and Christian Light School came to our class in 5th grade telling us about planes, show us many pictures. I was amazed because I only knew about car driver. I didn't know if someone can control an airplane. I had many questions to ask because I was curious. I mean, it's airplane. Thanks to Jason and Francisco overall Bridges to Dreams and MAF for bringing me one step closer to my dream of becoming a pilot. A few months ago, in search of a place to serve, I was invited by a former Christian Light School classmate called Jovenel Pierre, who's the president of the Haitian Movie Project, where I teach Haiti's senior class, along with myself, try to stick together for our country. I was really excited to become a member, and I still am. We are coming together, united in love for peace, while many people are talking and complaining about the problems that Haiti constantly faces. The Haitian Movie Project is a non-profit community project. I really love this project because it's focused on taking care of our community. My personal motivation to this project is to not let the coming generation go through the things that we've been through. So we want them to have access to the most basic things, their most basic needs met effortlessly. Thank you for watching this video. We are open to collaborate. Thank you once again. Bye.